Fam, scam, bam, wham. Today we're doing a fucking mukbang. Diddy, go lay down. What the fuck is you doing? No, because
it's huge and it don't do nothing. Like it popped behind couches like.
I have my little sister Kamora or whatever.
That's not my name. I just said I'm Sukihana.
So, how are you? How are you feeling today? What's your name?
And
What's your name? You got good coochie like your granny. So you're not gonna tell them like what's your name?
My name is DJ. Oh, my Instagram name is _
Do you have any special talents or anything?
I'm me. Bitch, I'm me.
Do you mind turning so they can see?
No.
I'm just trying to give you your stop it. You're being very violent, ma'am. Stop! You literally hit the camera.
Get out.
Why are you touching the lights? What are you doing to the lights?
Okay.
What are you doing to the light, ma'am?
Anthony.
Bitch, is that a bug on the wall?
Come on.
Before we get into this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more of her, let me know in the comments. If you fucking with this video, put some crazy shit.
I want all that.
All that unicorn shit, all that motherfucking.
Like,
It'll be my personal typer. Okay, so we eating Fuddruckers.
What about you rip my wig off? What about just like that?
Okay, so we got Fuddruckers fries and chicken strips.
Oh.
We got milkshakes, but I don't like chocolate. She got Oreo, and I got strawberry. And then y'all know I got my sweet baby Ray. She don't really eat sauce on her shit. Don't know how. Dry mouth ass bitch.
Because sauce is trifling, that shit is dumb. Because if you put sauce on your food, it's not even the same no more.
No.
All you taste is the sauce.
No.
And texture. Every time I'm gonna make barbecue chicken, I rinse it off and then rewarm it.
You really rinse it?
I rinse it off.
You rinse the chicken?
If there's nothing else to eat in the household,
Like under the water?
I go to the
like
sink.
soggy. That's nasty.
It's the
Do you
same.
at least put it in the oven? You put it in the microwave?
Yeah.
Bitch, that's like them Tyson, them nasty ass wet Tyson fucking chicken strips from the fucking grocery store.
Oh my god, I watched something about them in foods class and they be shooting they ducks. The horses be sitting there doo-doo. Exactly. We watched it in school and the chickens just be like.
I seen this video and it was a pit and it was like a whole bunch of like pigs in the pit and they like threw a log of fire in that bitch and they I was like, damn. That's so disrespectful.
No. They did it because them pigs had diseases and they was in China and the only way to get rid of the disease was to burn them or something.
Can you imagine you just chilling with your friends?
With
like,
your
you
friends.
sick too? Girl, did this like,
Girl,
what
I got
is
this
that?
little cough.
What the fuck is that?
And then your friend gets to burn it first, bitch. All you is, you like pig.
Is it hot? What is it?
Who shake that ass the best?
Me. Shit, bitch, hold on.
More, you remember that one time when we was at lunch and it was popped up on one of our phones or something. He was like, that nigga gay. I don't care what nobody say. He gay.
Who? Oh yeah.
You was right.
I know. And if I don't know and I want to know, I ask him and he'll know. You'll be surprised. A lot of you straight, I see y'all in these DMs. I see y'all. Cut what he said boy day about. He gonna be under there like.
You don't understand how many people be watching me too. And it be like, bitch, I literally just be walking around Detroit and bitch be like, I got you on YouTube. Hey.
I was sick when we was at that concert and that man stopped and said, oh my God, are you kidane? I froze. A little buzz. So I'm like, who is he? He talking to you?
At the concert though. Like in the
This
middle.
man was like, this man on the stage like, oh my God, are you kidane?
Did he draw it of that yes I am pretty deep? Like
He done drew every damn body.
Proper
Just
foot.
like, bitch, I still don't like Taylor girls. That bitch really tried to play you. She basically a broke ass bitch that was trying to get over like, I'm gonna send like 200 now. Do you think I can send like... And this bitch never posted it, tagged them, never shouted them out. A lot of them be fucking full of themselves, bitch. Relax.
Too full of themselves, bitch.
Relax, bitch. Well, paint me red and call me Hawaiian cause I'm finna punch this bitch. I'm gonna say that to the bitch. The bitch gonna go knock my head off. He gonna take that handshake off so quick, like
bitch.
Well, my nigga off. Got no idea.
He said 3:30.
Who?
Demarius.
He get off at 3:30.
Yeah, he said he won't be home till like 3:30.
He coming to get me.
He said 3:30.
When he say that?
Yesterday.
He was just texting me. He get off at 2.
But he said he wasn't coming to get you to 3:30.
But he just told me that he... Bitch, we had two different conversations.
Yeah.
I literally just
I mean,
talked to him.
that's your nigga. It is what it is. Oh, bitch, you got some chicken on these lashes.
What other celebrity?
Oh, bitch, it's a booker?
Bitch, that was not no book.
Bitch, that was sticking
It was
to my...
probably Cookie though.
I'm sorry, but my camera keep fucking dying, y'all. So, I mean, this might be a little patchy or whatever. We was just talking about...
Like, what celebrity, if you was in like a deep committed relationship, like if a celebrity came up and was trying to mess with you, who would actually make you be like,
Like, ooh, my nigga don't have to know.
Even though I'm talking all this big cash, I know I'd be like, probably like, no.
No, I'm sorry, my nigga. Good game, bitch. He just seem like he's just so rough.
Right.
He just seem like he's so rough, but he really care a lot. But he just be like,
he's like, he just be like,
he be on the phone,
my
like,
baby, bro.
Like, why he be like, you tripping? Like, what's wrong with you?
Man, come here.
Oh my god, he made me feel so good.
What about Bryson Tiller? He seemed like somebody to vibe with.
Yeah, he give me like high school love tease. Like, I don't get like...
He give me like crush.
Yeah. Like high school crush, like he was like real smooth.
Okay,
and
I like you, right.
Okay, you sweet. Okay, Bryson. Tyga.
Tyga could get there for me.
I don't think he could like take me from my
meal,
but...
No. Tank.
I'm not gonna hold you.
Bro, I am so in love with Tank, and Mama swear up and down. She like, ugh. And they like, really?
He on stage and he like, 1 week. Fuck.
He seems like he just be chilling, like.
Yes, like.
Just chilling and nasty. Like.
Ooh, female wise, Megan Thee Stallion with her tall ass.
What about PNB Rock? I don't.
His neck too fucking long.
What is that? Oh shit, what is that?
Like, that shit just too, it's weirdly long. Like, I don't want that. This nigga.
Megan good. She get me crushing too, like.
Yeah, she don't get me
as far as like with a girl, she get me like messing around with a girl, like just like flirting, like. What about him?
Romidi?
Romidi. I said it right? Okay.
He cute.
He cute at times. Like sometimes I'm like, ooh, sometimes like.
Ooh, what about Dave East? I'm not gonna hold you up. Dave look like his dick a little dirty. But then again, like I would fuck with him. I would fuck with him because he give me hood nigga.
Remember he was like super big when everybody
Ernesto. Bitch, I used to fuck with him.
Did you really?
I lied. I just lied to you. It just slipped out.
I was about to be so hurt. Like
I meant to say I wanted to.
I was on FaceTime with him before.
What about Clarence? Clarence got fat.
I kind of got over Clarence seeing him with Queen.
Yeah, I think like him being with Queen, it kind of like.
Yeah.
It's not even like that's a bad thing.
It's just like,
yeah, it's just like you're a dad now. Like, he just like,
you are a dad. You got a family, right?
He don't even be fucking working out no more.
I don't know why, but like, yeah, he fine, but I just don't look at him like that. In the beginning, when they first started talking, it was like, oh.
It's like, oh, you still look fine, but now it's like.
Now it's just like.
It's Clarence. Time to put the hookies in. Go lay down, D. Go lay the fuck down. Go lay down. Go lay down.
Bitch, I was 11. You bitch. Oprah, girl, that'd be my sugar mama. What about the baby?
Ooh.
I ain't gonna lie.
He ain't the baby, he my baby.
And the thing is, he not even,
He's not even
it's
cute,
his
but
aura.
it's his personality. My nigga will beat the fuck out of you. My nigga will shoot you. My nigga will take you out. Bitch. Pow pow. What about Suki, honey?
No. What about Lil Uzi?
I
want to be best friends with him.
It's kind of like I would, but then again, sometimes he scared me. Like he gonna try to like he be into like abuse and shit when he be having sex. Like he just the type to like choke you out. Yes, like he be doing crazy shit like cutting.
He's like, give me the knife. What?
Knife, like, ow! Pulling out the knife, like,
ow! What the fuck was that?
2
Big
Chainz.
Sean, 2 Chainz. It's
Big Sean.
I ain't gonna lie. I feel like I'd be scamming 2 Chainz. Like, hey,
Nah.
hey,
Of course. Can I
give
get
me
my
a car? Imagine DJ Kelly. I feel like
I was just about to say
irritated me.
People like, you loyal. You special.
I'd probably be like, shut the fuck up. I don't even know why I married you.
DR and Ken.
Dear give me best friend that you be like messing around with. Like she give me
like y'all just do a little thing.
Right, like yeah.
I don't know.
I don't know if I would.
I don't know.
I really don't know. Like Ken's not ugly to me. Ken's not really cute to me.
It's just like he's Ken. Like,
yeah, it's just like that's De'Ara and Ken.
Like y'all are a package.
Just like with Clarence. Like it's like I don't know.
It's just like Offset, Quavo.
I don't think I can see me with a Quavo.
Bitch, what?
Future.
Yeah.
Chance the Rapper.
Yeah. And his brother.
That looks like yo type.
Train me, please.
What about Rihanna?
I think I would like do it with her just for the experience one time, and then we just be like best friends type shit.
What about Kylie? Kylie can get it.
Kylie can get it. She look like she tastes like vanilla.
Kalani, I'm sorry, no.
I could do
Kalani's
it, but I feel like
Kalani
she
is
like,
super cute to me, but I couldn't.
as far as sex, I don't know. I feel like she kind of be boring.
I feel like I hold the fuck out of Sierra.
Bitch,
Sierra.
but Russell. But then again, I kind of feel like I would hold the fuck out of Russell. Like I would marry Russell, but I kind of like he must got like some secret like aggressiveness. Oh, what about Cash Doll?
Pretty dude. Cash Doll. She just give me like best friend. I'll be grabbing her booty.
That she is really like cute in person. Like she is so fucking pretty and cool.
Wiz Khalifa.
Yes. Yes. Especially with his little
no
body.
doubt. Yes.
Bitch.
Yes. Absolutely. You leave it to the mic. I'm not. Yes.
Absolutely.
The Rock. Mama love him.
No.
Mama love him.
No.
What about Tiana Taylor?
Like, dreams of fucking you and R&B, bitch, bitch. I heard your little boy.
I'm really just like swiping.
Dreams.
This is so pretty to me, but I don't think I could do it.
It's not clicking in my head since it's oh boom, 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 boom.
It's not.
She been gone for so fucking long. I forgot. I would. I feel like she. I feel like
y'all do something on like flowers.
Yes, I feel like, but I really feel like she ride dick crazy. Like I really feel like she be going dumb. Like she be like Jill Scott.
What about B?
Lately, I've been feeling like B go crazy in the bed, but like a year or two ago, I thought she was boring as fuck. Janae, I feel like she sucked dick really good, but as far as like sex wise, I really don't know. She seemed like, I wouldn't even say a lazy bitch, but she seemed like a lazy bitch. Like she like a rag doll type of bitch.
She probably crazy.
I feel like she a rag doll type of bitch. Like you can do anything you want to me. Well, this was a fucked up mukbang. If y'all didn't know, we did another mukbang and it was a fail too. So whatever. This ended up.
Oh my god, I remember that one.
Girl, with your fucking wig, bitch. Bitches was trying to drag you.
The cookies.
I will link her social medias in the bio below. Make sure to go check her out. Make sure to go follow her. And if y'all want to see more videos,
say that.
Period, poo.
Period.
So anyway,
my YouTube coming soon.
And
Facebook. Wow.
Gotta be back there doing that shit.
Wow. Ooh, ah, ooh, ooh, ah. I used to do that.